Yes. So in my previous video, I just gave you a basic idea. How do I write? So I can write haloalkanes as Rx. R stands for the alkyl group. So alkane. So this is alkyl group. And haloarenes, I can write it as ARX. So that is the arene group. Now, first I'm going to pick up this particular chapter, haloalkanes. Now in haloalkanes, when I said earlier Rx, haloalkanes in this particular compound or this particular class of organic compounds, let us speak about the nature. Your reasoning questions are going to start from this topic, nature of haloalkanes. So when I write, as I said, it is represented as R and X. So what did we discuss? We said X can be fluorine, it can be chlorine, it can be bromine, it can be iron. Where do we find this X in the periodic table? So when I go to the periodic table, let me give a clear an idea of the periodic table. This is a periodic table. We have again one more class, F block elements. So when we just look into the periodic table, this is our S block. This is a completely P block. This is a complete D block, and this is a complete F block elements, lanthanides and actinides. So in our P block elements, now this is a 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th. Now our halogens they belong to your 17th group of elements. Highly electronegative elements. These are all electropositive elements. These are all electronegative elements. So we have studied in our grade 11 what are electronegative elements? The ability to drag the electron pair. So every time they keep dragging the electron pair towards them. So when I come back to this, now I have an idea. This is a halogen belonging to 17th group in the periodic table. So let me note all these topics. So basically halogens. So let me write that. I should have an idea. Halogens, represented by halogens. They belong to which group? 17th group in the periodic table. What is the nature of that? They are highly electronegative. So what is highly electronegative? As I just mentioned, they are going to, let us speak in the basic words. They're going to drag or pull the electron density, drags the electron density. Now I have this idea in my mind. Now I should create a brain mapping, or I have to speak about this nature. I said, now let us divide this. Halogen is highly electronegative, so it tries to drag or pull all the electrons towards it. When it is trying to drag the electron density, let's see, all the electrons are towards this. When this particular halogen, there's a sort of electron cloud existing around halogens. So when an electron cloud is existing around halogens, this is electron excess, this becomes electron deficient. Thus, R and X. Because of the excess electrons around halogens, it attains a partial negative charge, and this is it attains a partial positive charge. So the nature of haloalkanes, due to the electronegativity difference, the alkyl group is attaining a partial positive charge and it attains a partial negative charge, and there is a creation of dipole in the molecule. So this is what we are going to know, or this is what we have to remember: negative and positive, electronegativity towards that, and this becomes electropositive, this drags and this loses the electrons. This is the nature of haloalkanes, and let us meet in the next video questions based on this haloalkanes, nature of haloalkanes.